video, we have studied all the theories related to polar plot, and we have studied what is the procedure to find the polar plot. Today we will do with 4 examples for polar plot. First, for polar plot, we have to draw the polar plot for type 0 order 1 system. By taking the example, the question is g of s is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus st. We have to draw the polar plot for this question. Here the type is equal to 0 and order is equal to 1. Type is equal to 0 because there is no single a star present here. So type is equal to 0 here. And order is equal to 1 because maximum power of s is 1 is here. So this is the type 0 order 1 system. To find the polar plot, the first step is we have to put s is equal to j omega. So g of j omega is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus j omega t. This is by putting s is equal to j omega. The next step is we have to find its magnitude. So magnitude of g of j omega is equal to, in the upper side the magnitude is 1 and lower side the magnitude is equal to, since this is a complex number a plus j into b, its magnitude will be a square plus b square magnitude. So here the magnitude will be 1 square plus omega t square whole root over. That implies the magnitude value will be 1 divided by 1 plus omega square t square root over. This is the magnitude. Then we have to go for the angle part. Now the angle of g of j omega is equal to, in the upper side 1 is present, 1 is equal to 1 plus j into 0. So here the angle will be tan inverse of 0 by 1 minus 1 plus j omega t. Its angle will be tan inverse of omega t divided by 1. So here its value is equal to 0 minus tan inverse of omega t. This is the angle part. We have found the magnitude as well as the angle. Now the last step is we have to find the value of magnitude and omega angle when the value of omega varies from 0 till infinity by taking a table. Suppose here the value of omega I have to take, and here I have to take the magnitude of g of j omega, here the angle of g of j omega. Suppose the value is equal, magnitude is equal to 0. I will put in this formula. Suppose the value omega is equal to 0, I will get it that 1 plus 1 root over. Omega b is equal to 0. If we put here the value, then 1 divided by 1 plus 0 square root over. That means its value will be 1 is here. So its magnitude is 1. If I put omega is equal to 0 in angle formula, that means here 0 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 is equal to 0. So 0 minus 0, the value will be 0. So omega is equal to 0, the magnitude is 1 and this value is 0. Similarly, if I take omega value is infinite, then here the value will be 1 divided by 1 plus infinite square. That implies it will be 1 by infinity, this value will be 0. And the magnitude and then the angle. For angle, tan inverse of infinity, which is equal to 90 degree. So 0 minus 90 degree, the angle is minus 90 degree. So here we got, for omega is equal to 0, the magnitude is 1 and angle is 0 degree. So if I plot the polar plot, the magnitude is 1 and angle is 0, which is the starting point. That means if the value is 1 here, the magnitude is 1 and angle is 0. We know that this is 0 degree plus. And then what is the ending point? The ending point will be infinite. That means ending point will be the magnitude 0 and angle is minus 90 degree. That means the angle will be here. ending point is here, minus 90 degree and magnitude is 0. Here angle is 0 degree and magnitude is 1. So this plot is the polar plot for type 0 order 1 system. The question is g of s is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus st. This one is the curve for type 0 order 1 system. Next we will go for type 1 order 2 system. This one is the example for type 1 order 2 system. Here the pole at origin is equal to 1, that is here s turn is 1 is present, so pole is equal to 1 at origin when it is type 1 system, and the ss power will be s into st, that is s square, so order is 2 here. That means it is a type 1 order 2 system. We have to do its polar plot. The first step is we have to put g of j omega, and its value will be 1 divided by j omega into 1 plus j omega t. And the next step is we have to find its magnitude. That means g of j omega magnitude is equal to 1 divided by, here it is omega, and this one is equal to 1 square plus omega square t square root over. And here is angle. Angle of j of g omega is equal to tan inverse 0 minus tan inverse of omega by 0 minus tan inverse of omega t divided by 1. So its value will be 0 minus 90 degree minus tan inverse of omega t. So here we got magnitude is equal to 1 divided by omega into root over of 1 plus omega square t square, and the angle will be minus 90 degree minus tan inverse of omega t. In these two places we have to put omega is equal to 0 and infinity. So if you take omega value as 0 and infinity, we can get the magnitude here will be infinite, because 1 by 0 into 0, so 1 by 0 is infinite, and angle, that means in angle here, then tan inverse of 0, so minus 90 degree minus 0, the angle will be minus 90 degree. If I put omega is equal to infinity in case of magnitude, then 1 by infinity it will be 0. If I put omega is equal to infinity in angle, then minus 90 minus tan inverse infinite is equal to minus 90 minus 90 is equal to minus 180 degree. So the angle will be minus 180 degree. So from these two tables we have to do its polar plot. So the plot will be, the starting point is at 0, that means mode omega is equal to 0, that means magnitude is infinity and angle is minus 90 degree. So we know that this is the minus 90 degree place, and here the value is magnitude is equal to infinite. So the starting will be from infinite and the ending point will be at magnitude is 0 and angle is minus 180 degree. That means at 0 this point and the angle is minus 180 degree at this one. So the graph will be like this. This is the polar plot for type 1 order 2 system. Next we will study for type 0 order 2 system. Example for type 0 order system. Here the maximum power of S is 2, so it is order 2 system, and here no single S term is present, so it is type 0 system. For making its polar plot, the first step is we have to put at S is equal to j omega. So g of j omega is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus j omega t1 into 1 plus s 1 plus j omega t2. Next step is we have to find its magnitude. That means the magnitude of g of j omega is equal to 1 divided by its magnitude is 1 square plus omega 1 t1 square, which is equal to 1 plus omega square t1 square root over into root over of 1 square plus omega square t2 square root over. This is the magnitude for g of j omega. Now the angle of g of j omega, which is equal to, in opposite only 1 is present, so it is 0 degree minus in the lower set 1 plus st1 1 plus j omega t1. So this value will be tan inverse of omega t1 by 1 minus tan inverse of omega t2 by 1. Here we have to put omega is equal to 0, 1, infinite. By plotting the table, the value of omega is equal to 0 degree and 0 and infinity. The magnitude here will be 1 here, and if we put omega is equal to infinity, the magnitude will be 0 here. And even the angle part, if I put 0 degree in case of omega, I can get it is 0 degree, and if I put omega is equal to infinite, the angle will be minus 180 degree. From this table, if we plot the polar plot, we can get the plot will be started from omega is equal to 0 and ended at omega is equal to infinity. So the starting point, the magnitude is 1 and angle is 0 degree. So the starting point will be here, and the ending point will be at magnitude is 0 and angle is minus 180 degree. So this point in this angle. So the graph will be like this. This is the polar plot for type 0 order 2 system. Next we will go for type 1 order 2 system. Next we will go for type 1 order 3 system. Here the single S term is present, so type is equal to 1 is here, order is equal to 3, that means here the S into S into S, so S power will be 3 here, so order is 3 here. Now we will discuss the polar plot for G of S is equal to 1 divided by S into 1 plus S21 whole into 1 plus ST2. Okay, the first step is we have to put S is equal to J omega, so G of J omega will be 1 divided by J omega whole into 1 plus J omega T1 into 1 plus J omega T2. And its next step is to find out its magnitude and phase angle. So the magnitude will be G of J omega magnitude is equal to 1 divided by omega into root over of 1 plus omega square T1 square into root over of 1 plus omega square T2 square. Next we have to go for its angle. So the angle of J of G omega is equal to, in opposite 1 is present, so 0 degree. In the lower side only J omega is present, so it is minus 90 degree, and then 1 plus J omega T1, so minus tan inverse of omega T1 by 1 minus tan inverse of omega T2 by 1. So these are the formulas for finding the magnitude and phase angle. Now we have to put the angle, that is omega is equal to 0 and omega is equal to infinity. So we will plot a table. So if omega is equal to 0 and infinite, the magnitude will be, first the magnitude when omega is equal to 0 and if I put omega is equal to 0 and infinity in the magnitude formula, I can get, if omega is equal to 0 degree, the magnitude is infinity, and if omega is equal to 0, the magnitude is 0 here, because 1 by 0 is infinite and 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Now if by putting the value of omega is equal to 0 in angle, I can get here that it is minus 90 degree and it will be minus 270 degree. So we will plot in the polar plot. So the starting point is at omega is equal to 0. Omega is equal to 0, the magnitude is infinite and angle is minus 90. So from here it will be started, and the ending point will be, the magnitude is 0 and angle is minus 270 degree. So the graph will be ended at this place. So the graph will be like this. This is the polar plot for type 1 order 3 system. In today's class, we have studied 4 examples of polar plot, that is type 0 order 1, type 1 order 2, type 0 order 2 and type 1 order 3 system. Similarly, we can find type of anything and order of anything by plotting the graph like this, by following some steps as we have studied in the previous class. In polar plot, we will just remember one easy trick. How to draw a polar plot? The first step is we have to take two things in our mind. That is, the polar plot is always started at type and ended at order. That means if I take type 0 and order 1 system, from this graph we can get type 0 is from this place and order 1 is this place. Depending on magnitude and angle, it is always started from this one and ended with this place. So graph of type 0 order 1 will be, this is the starting point, that is the type is 0, so it is started here at any point. It's magnitude 1, then it will be started here. It is magnitude infinite, then it will be starting here. That means it is started always from this side and ended at order 1. Order 1 means this region, that means it is ended at here. Next one, type 1 order 2 system. Then type is 1, that means starting from this place and ended with order 2. Order 2 means this region it will be ended. That means it will be starting from here and ending at here. It is for type 1 and order 2 system. Next one is type 0 order 2. That means type 0 means starting point is at here and order is 2, means order 2 means in this region it will be ended. That means it will be ended at here. And the last point is type 1 order 3 system. Type is 1, that means it is starting here and ended with order 3. Order 3 means this region, so it will be here. So this is the technique, easy technique, some techniques how to draw the polar plot irrespective of its magnitude. Now we have studied the type 0 order 1, the graph is this one. The type 1 order 2, this graph. Type 0 order 2, this graph. And type 1 order 3, this graph. Okay? In this class, we have already studied all the things about the polar plot. Thank you.